Welcome to day 56 of Claude Coding Challenge. Today is all about turning everything we've built over the last few days into a working MVP. Instead of adding brand new features, Claude first reviews the entire project to make sure every core feature works together as one complete application. The goal isn't perfection. It's having something real that people can actually use. Next, we deploy the project to a free hosting platform, so it isn't just running on our local machine anymore. Once it's live, we test the complete user flow from start to finish, making sure the application behaves exactly as expected. After deployment, Claude helps verify the live version, catches any issues that only appear in production, updates the documentation, and prepares the project for GitHub with a proper commit message. By the end of today's challenge, we don't just have code sitting in an editor. We have a working, shareable MVP that anyone can open in their browser. And that's the biggest milestone so far. Subscribe for next day of challenge.